Good afternoon, Ramtin Ray Nosrati, Huntington State Properties. Welcome to my latest masterpiece. As you drive up to the gate, you basically feel like you're on vacation. To my left over here, you have a wraparound pond in the front yard which cascades over down into the driveway going into the auto gallery. And now we enter this beauty. Here we are inside of the Brentwood Oasis. To my right, we have a dining room with Venetian plaster ceilings and of course, the dual-sided saltwater fish aquarium that overlooks out to the main kitchen. All right, off to the great room we go, and this is actually one of my favorite parts in this whole project. Open floor plan, 32-foot high ceilings with the coffered design ceiling going on. You got a view of this beautiful living wall looking out to the backyard, to the bar lounge area. If you look at it, it's just kind of really classy. It's got the onyx backlit and then this beautiful stone. You just can't beat it. All right, the lower level, where all the fun happens. When you land into the lower level, you're looking straight out to the wine cellar, out to the bar area with the backlit Korean wall, which actually changes colors. And to my left over here, this is the movie theater. The sound system beats any movie theater that you can go to. And now, walking over to the Kobe Bryant basketball court. This beautiful court was a tribute to Kobe Bryant with the legends on the wall. For all you Kobe fans, this is the one and only. All right, here it is, the indoor spa. So this is the indoor spa. It's an all-jet swim. And of course, you got your hot, or it could be transformed into a cold plunge. And one little cool feature this room has, now you thought the lower level was done with. It's not. And here we are. I call it the fun cave. You have a 9 TV video wall with a beautiful sitting area over here. You also got a barbershop right here. And then of course, out to the auto gallery. And next, we go upstairs. The main room, oh me, oh my. And this is where the magic happens. Surrounded by glass walls. Walking into the main bath, you can actually spend your whole day in here. You got an espresso cappuccino machine right over here with a fridge on the bottom. And then of course, dual side. So the dual-sided shower, if you pay attention to stone, the stone just kind of wraps around. But you think that's impressive? Let me show you something really cool. All right, this masterpiece has 3 decks. The first deck we'll walk over to is the putting green deck, surrounded with 360-degree views, looking down to the courtyard. Now, let's see if I can make this in. Yes, sir. And last but not least, up to the wellness deck, where I have a little surprise for you. Mike.
Ray, what's up, man?
What's up, my brother?
You finished showing these people around over there?
Oh, yeah, man. This is basically what we're gonna call Tyson Lounge. You're on top of the world right here, you know.
This is a health and wellness, and this is where you come here, you get your acupuncture, you get your massage, you get your chiropractor. It's just an array of amenities that just matches the best hotels in the world. Well, my cannabis talks for itself. Tyson Ranch has won Cannabis Cup Awards, and who just puts 100% in everything we did in producing the best that we can actually produce with the experience of love.
Yeah, so you know, Mike wanted this to be so VIP. I mean, you got your own little fire pit, 360-degree view, outdoor dining table, and then of course, the garden right on top of the roof deck. This up here, we built for the mind.
I can see that. I can feel the Zen feeling here.
Do you feel different when you come up here? Right, we're downstairs, we're chilling, having dinner, or whatever it is. Then when you come up here, there's just a different feeling. Mike, I appreciate you, my brother. I can't wait to see what the future holds.
Oh, the future holds nothing but success.
Definitely, all love.
World domination.
Let's do it.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?